Hey, welcome back to Adventure World in Godot. In this quick video, I'm going to do some updates to the map and my player in preparation of doing the lights um, in the cave system. So let's get started on that real quick. So in a update video, I fixed the issue I had here that a commenter posted about the move and slide function down here at the bottom. So the move and slide function here, I removed the multiply by delta because that's part of this move and slide function that's built in. So to accommodate that, I had to adjust my velocity settings, and I believe I didn't look at my snail. He's got some overrides here, so I'm going to have to adjust those as well. So I did max speed is 300, so just take that, and the acceleration is 25. We'll just keep those, it's probably a little lower on acceleration for the snail than the player. So let's do like 200. Let's see, so we've got that. I quickly made a quick adjustment to my project temporarily. I'm just going straight to the level 1 so that I can hit F5 and load up my game directly. So that'll hopefully make testing a little bit easier. So these numbers I found to work pretty good. They feel pretty solid. Another thing I wanted to make was back when we first did this, looks like I already forgot to take that change out. So back when we first set up the player's collision, we used a ellipse here, a capsule, and I switched it to a rectangle because I was having some issues where when I came into the corner of a block, I was getting stuck. So like if I landed just right on the corner of a block, I would just get stuck like right there. And there's probably another reason for that. And I know it feels like a little bit of a cop-out, but for right now I think this is fine. Just switched it to a rectangle. I've had a lot less issues. The only downside is when you're coming off from a corner like that, you kind of can stand with your toe on it, which maybe looks a little unrealistic. But yeah, another thing I wanted to fix was there's a couple spots in my geometry or in my map where you couldn't get over the level, so let's go ahead and look at those. So another thing I wanted to do is beef up the space between my cave and the mountainside, and we'll see that in a little bit when we get there with the cave lighting stuff. But for now, we'll just go ahead and adjust that. So I'm just going to kind of do something similar here to how the map looked before, but we'll just do it a little bit higher, and I think that should be fine. We'll raise it up a little bit, and yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Alright, so let's fill in with the dirt below those. There we go. There we go. So yeah, I'm just trying to get a little bit more dirt between what the player will see and this mountain ridge here. So there we go. I think that will work well. Alright, one more. Oh, here I missed some grass. Another thing I noticed is when I got up here into the water, this is not activating as being treated as water. And so if I look at my, let's see, I guess it's background. No, that would be foreground. So I've got this pond water, and I had started to make this a area 2D, but I didn't attach a script. And if you remember, back when I did this, I obviously did not remember, I actually made a water area here object, and this does have the script on it. So I was like, I really don't want to redo this whole collision thing that I made, even though it would only take a few seconds. So what I figured out I can do is I can actually child that to my water area. I don't need this anymore, so I can delete that node. And it doesn't matter the placement of this water node in there, but what will happen is this collision area will be inherited into this area 2D, and so this whole region will get the water effect. So let's give that a shot. I'm going to try out our new map updates. So here I go a little bit higher. I'm able to climb all these. Not able to climb that one, so let's fix that real quick. Okay, here we go. So this is the one I was not able to climb. So I can fix that by going to my foreground map. Just delete a couple down and do that one. Or even better yet, right there. So yeah, we're just fixing up the map, making sure our player movement feels good, and all that is ready to go. So am I able to make this jump? Oh yeah, just barely. Good stuff. Yeah, my swim still feels good. That's what I wanted to check since I changed my movement values. Movement still feels good. I'm able to swim through the water thanks to our script update, and we should be able to get over here and get our coin. I need to add some little plant life and some animals in here that you gotta dodge. I think this is gonna be pretty... Oh, here's another issue. So our jump out of the water is very loud, I apologize, but we're not able to jump out of the water, so let's fix that real quick. And I won't make you endure watching me swim over there again. But what we'll do is we'll just add a little stone right there, and we'll delete those. Alright. So, maybe like that. So this should allow us to get in there and get to our cave and be able to swim back. We should be able to get over that, no problem, through the rest of here and be able to get back to our shop. Okay, so we're gonna stop right here, and in the next video we'll go into the torch lighting. So I'll see you then.